Hi, I'm Dr. Ridge, and I'm the chiropractor here at Natural Choice Medical Clinic. So I run an evidence-based practice here in Guelph. I treat a wide variety of conditions such as neck pain, low back pain, TMJ disorders, headaches, sports injuries, and pain relating to arthritis. I'm really happy to be part of the team here at Natural Choice Medical Clinic. I feel like my treatment styles just mesh well with all the other practitioners in the clinic. Everybody here is very accommodating and helpful. All aspects of your healthcare can be covered one way or another depending on what your needs are. My treatments are structured around hands-on techniques. So what that means is I do a lot of adjustments on the spine and the extremities when it's needed. I do a lot of acupuncture and dry needling to tight muscles. I offer a range of different treatment options depending on your condition and what your personal preferences are to treatment. The most popular treatments here are probably adjustments, of course, for one, the dry needling for tight muscles, and probably the thing that people like the most here is the traction table for the low back. Adjustments, we use a lot of adjustments here at the clinic. Anytime any joint, not just the spine, is feeling very restricted or tight, not moving properly, or the muscles around it are kind of in spasm, that's a time where I would go to an adjustment to treat those issues. Adjustments function to do a few things. They will get the joints kind of moving more freely, reduce pain, and reduce muscle tension in the area. I also focus a lot on soft tissue therapy, so I spend a lot of time trying to relax the muscles in the area either before or after an adjustment or just on their own. We can kind of strip through the muscles with our hands to try and release the area while we are taking the muscles through a full range of motion to try and loosen up that movement that we're trying to achieve. Another treatment that I offer here every day that patients just absolutely love is our traction table here. So we have an elite flexion distraction table, and what that does is gently stretch out and traction out the spine in a very gentle manner, and it can also stretch to either side. So that's really, really good for certain conditions such as disc pain, kind of pain that's coming from your nerve roots or your low back, you have pain down your leg, disc herniation, disc bulges, stuff like that. This traction therapy can be very relieving for those patients. So the treatment involves just a gentle flexing of the spine and traction therapy that I can fully control with my hands. So it's very, very gentle, and I can control how much tension is being applied. And it pretty much just counteracts the pressure that gravity is putting down on us every day on our discs and on our joints. So it feels really great, and people really respond well to it. A huge part of the pain and discomfort that I see here every day has to do with the muscles of the spine, and more specifically the deep muscles right along the spine that are many layers away from the skin, and they're very hard to treat. So, and for these patients where these deep kind of muscles are an issue, that is where I turn to lots of acupuncture or dry needling. So what dry needling is we use a very thin needle, just like an acupuncture needle, to get deeply beneath the skin and actually contact those directly into those muscles that are very, very tight and almost stuck in a hypertonic or dysfunctional state, and they're having a hard time relaxing. So what the needle does is it can go to any layer we want, directly touch that tight muscle and kind of stimulate it to relax. And I like to think of it as almost like a reset button for these really tight kind of dysfunctional tissues that haven't been relaxed in so long. We also offer electroacupuncture. So once the needles are in the correct muscles and in the tight areas that we are looking to treat, we can also apply electrical stimulation to it. And this also functions to provide pain relief, release some endorphins to help you just feel better, but it also functions to get that muscle to jump and twitch and just kind of take some tone out of it and relax the muscles even further. And so this kind of technique is not just for the back, it can be done all over the body, anywhere where you're feeling very tight or the muscles have knots in them and you're kind of having a hard time getting them to relax. Whether you've just moved to the area and you're looking for a new chiropractor, or you have some ongoing kind of pains and discomfort that you'd like checked out, or if you just want to be proactive and maintain your current health, don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Natural Choice Medical Clinic. We'd be happy to answer any questions or concerns you may have, and we look forward to seeing you in the clinic soon.